On October 28, 2023, Teel Auctions will auction a beautifully restored 1948 Willys Convertible Jeepster. The Jeepster is an unusual post-war car in which the classic Jeep was recast as a sports car for veterans of World War II. When Willys introduced the two-door convertible, they marketed the sporty rear-wheel drive-only model as a dual personality for city and country driving and called it America's greatest value in sports cars. The 1948 Jeepster features a 3-speed transmission, independent front-wheel suspension, rubber insert springs, airplane-type shock absorbers, compact wheelbase and short turning radius, fabric top with side curtains, chrome-plated fender steps, oversized hubcaps, whitewall tires, sun visors, deluxe steering wheel, locking glove box, cigar lighter, and rear-mounted spare tire.